Mr. Gotti's giving me so much work. I just want to watch something. Oh yeah, I need the remote. Oh, give me that. Why is this always on? Like, why can't we get something interesting like Firefly on here? Man, I'm not watching this. Let's change channels.
Yo, how much is the retail on one of those?
Ferrari, more than you can afford.
Want a race?
Man, you know this ain't no 10-second race.
All I got is time. Man, I nearly had you in that race.
Almost had me? Boy, you didn't even have your car. Granny shifting when you should be double clutching? Get out of here.
Now that was pretty good, but let's see what else is on here.
Welcome back to Flavor Town. And today we have one hungry customer by the name of Taylor Gotti.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux. Car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie.
14 seconds.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. Et à sauter les repas, je suis habitué. Un voleur solitaire et triste à nourrir. Un jeu si amer, je peux réussir. Car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie. Jamais on ne me dira que la
Ooh. Fresh out of the oven, fresh off the grill.
Yeah, we grilled them.
Grill Master Drake does it different. I tell you what, I don't know how he does it, but the way he makes these things, there's something special. These dogs, ain't nobody doing it like Drake. You know, they're always talking about, oh, I put my dogs on the grill, or I put my dogs in the oven, or, you know, I put my dogs in the backyard. But ain't nobody doing it like Drake. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's dig in. That's busting. And the ketchup. The ketchup's the icing on the cake. You know, most people don't think about that. Most people think, oh, I'm gonna get a hot dog, I'm gonna eat it with mustard.
Hey! Hey!
What's that on that beat? No.
Mustard!
But not Drake. That's not the way Drizzy does it. Drake serves them up right, I tell you what. Well, you can count me as one satisfied customer. 10 out of 10 hot dog.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Huh. Man, I only got a couple more of these before Gotti comes in here and asks me to do a film or something. Let's see what else is on. What are you doing? Do you watching TV?
Do you know what's going on this week?
What? What is?
It's Film Fest.
Oh yeah.